Ever wondered how developers around the globe collaborate seamlessly on massive projects? It all starts with GitHub. GitHub is a web-based platform built around Git, a powerful version control system. Think of it as a super-powered save button for your code. Version control allows you to track every change made to your code, revert to previous versions if needed, and collaborate efficiently with others without overwriting each other's work. GitHub acts as a central hub where teams can store, manage, and contribute to projects together. Let's get started by creating your own account. Head over to github.com and click the sign up button. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose a username, enter your email, and create a strong password. Once you're signed in, you'll want to create a repository or repo. To house your project, click the Create Repository button. Give your repository descriptive name. You can also add a description to explain what your project is about. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Now it's time to add some files. Click the Add File button and either upload existing code or create new files directly in your repository. GitHub truly shines when it comes to collaboration. Let's say you want to contribute to someone else's project. You'll typically fork their repository, make your changes in your own forked copy, and then submit a pull request to the original repository. The owner can then review your changes and merge them into their project.